English Now podcast.
Listen, practice, and improve your English step by step.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English podcast for beginners. My name is Sarah.
And I'm Donald. Hello, friends. We are so happy you are here with us today. This episode is specially made for learners at A1 and A2 level.
Yes, and today's topic is simple, useful, and very important.
That's right. We are going to talk about how to introduce yourself in English.
Sometimes, when you meet someone new, you may feel shy or nervous. Your English might feel slow or uncertain.
And that is completely normal. Everyone feels that way in the beginning.
Remember, it's not about speaking long or difficult sentences.
Exactly. Short, clear, and easy sentences are enough to introduce yourself.
Sometimes, when you meet someone new, you may feel shy or nervous. Your English might feel slow or uncertain.
And that is completely normal. Everyone feels that way in the beginning.
Remember, it's not about speaking long or difficult sentences.
Exactly. Short, clear, and easy sentences are enough to introduce yourself.
For example, you can say, "My name is Sarah."
Or, I am from London. Easy, right?
So don't stress. Take it step by step.
Yes, we are here to guide you. Listen, pause, repeat, and practice with us.
Are you ready?
Let's get started.
Watch for the highlighted words. These are the words we want you to focus on. When you hear them, try to repeat them out loud.
Learning English takes time, but you are already doing well. Step by step, word by word, you will improve. Breathe and speak slowly.
Yes, we are here to guide you slowly, one sentence at a time. We will speak in slow, simple, and easy English so you can listen, pause, and repeat.
Awesome! Sarah, let us begin with the most basic and friendly question. What is your name?
If someone asks, "What's your name?" you can reply, "My name is Donald," or "I am Sarah." Both are correct. Try both forms.
Try this. Hello, my name is Donald. Nice to meet you. Now pause. Repeat it slowly. Hello, my name is Sarah. Nice to meet you.
You can also say more casual forms. "Hi, I'm Donald," or "Hey, I'm Sarah." These are common in friendly situations.
Practice in your voice now. Repeat. Hi, I'm Donald. Nice to meet you. Pause and repeat again. Hi, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Now let's show short sample dialogues.
Hello, what's your name?
My name is Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Sarah.
Nice to meet you too.
Another simple example.
Hi, I'm Sarah.
Hi, Sarah. I'm Donald.
Nice to meet you, Donald. Repeat these lines with us. For more polite conversation, you can ask, "May I ask your name?" or "Could you tell me your name, please?"
Listen and repeat. May I ask your name? Yes, my name is Donald. Practice both polite and casual forms.
Quick recap. Say your name and a greeting. Example. Hello, my name is Donald. Nice to meet you. Or, hi, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Remember, it is not about long, difficult sentences. Short and clear expressions work best when you meet someone new.
When you are ready, try adding one small detail after your name. Example. Hello, my name is Donald. I am from San Antonio. Or, hi, I'm Sarah. I'm from Los Angeles.
Practice that full line with us. Hello, my name is Donald. I'm from San Antonio. Pause and repeat. Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm from Los Angeles.
Great. Keep practicing these short lines every day. Speak slowly, repeat, and don't worry about mistakes. Little by little, you will get more confident.
Tip: use contractions in casual talk. I'm, your, we're.
Speak slowly and smile. Practice with a friend or record yourself. Repeat daily for 5 minutes. Small practice every day builds strong habits.
Keep going. You are improving right now.
Now, another common part of introductions is age. You can say, "I am 30 years old," or "I am 35 years old." Simple and clear.
Repeat after us. I am 35 years old. I am 30 years old. Practice the rhythm. Say the number, then years old.
At the intermediate level, try, I'm in my early 20s, or I'm almost 30. These sound natural.
Next, talk about work or study. If you work, say, I am a teacher, or I am a banker. If you study, say, I am a student, or I study at university.
Practice with us. I am a teacher. I am a student. Add small details. I work as a nurse in a hospital, or I study computer science at university.
Notice the verbs. Use work as for jobs, study for school, and run for small businesses. These verbs make your sentence natural.
People also like to know about hobbies. Say, I like reading, or I like football. Try, I enjoy cooking, or I like listening to music.
Repeat. I like cooking. I like music. Hobbies give the other person something to talk about with you.
Now let's put everything together. Listen, then repeat slowly. Hello, my name is Donald. I am from Manchester. I am 35 years old. I am a lecturer. I like playing football. Nice to meet you.
Another example. Hello, my name is Sarah. I am from London. I am 30 years old. I am a teacher. I like reading books. Nice to meet you.
Try your own now. Answer step by step. 1. What's your name? 2. Where are you from? 3. How old are you?
1. What do you do? 2. Are you a student or do you work? 3. What do you like to do in your free time?
Quick tip. If you don't want to say your exact age, say, I'm in my 20s. That's polite and common.
Expand a little if you want. I work as a designer. In my free time, I like hiking and photography.
Practice with a partner or record yourself. Listen to your pronunciation. Slow down when you need to. Repeating builds confidence.
We practiced your name, where you are from, your age, your job, and your hobbies, step by step. Remember, slow, simple, and easy English is powerful.
Yes, practice makes perfect. Every time you meet someone new, try to use English.
Thank you for learning with us today. We will see you again in the next episode. Until then, stay confident and keep practicing your English every day.